We guide you through how to see your WhatsApp blacklist in just a few simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is to open your WhatsApp app on your phone, then tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or go straight to settings if you're using your iPhone. Next is to tap on privacy, then scroll down until you see the option labeled Black Contacts or Black. Tap on it, and instantly you'll see the full list of all the accounts you've blocked. From here, you can also manage your list. If you want to unblock someone, just tap on their name and select Unblock. If you want to add more people to your blacklist, tap the add icon usually found in the top right corner and select the contact you want to block. This section gives you full control over who can message or call you on WhatsApp. So make sure to review it anytime